Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.poetrytoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Savor it. Moments pass and years accumulate into a world we once perceived. Nevertheless, it's all creation, as though an artist paints and moves the clay. We stand still in silence. We can hear the music play. The music plays in harmony of the present, past, smudges of paint, and some a masterpiece. Some moments vanish, but memories still remain as we contemplate those distant memories again. Some brings joy and some sadness, always lessons and wisdom contained within. Let's sit here, appreciate what it brought the journey within. But let's never forget to savor it all. And that includes the gift of today. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, just close your eyes and think of 3 things that you wouldn't normally think of. Small things that you normally just take for granted. I am grateful for my socks. I'm grateful for my toothbrush. I'm very grateful for floss. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.